Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. You can see a new background on my behind. I am using Google Meet. So this is a new feature updated by Google Meet as of today. So I am going to explain and I am going to show you in detail how to change background in Google Meet. This is the new feature which is available in Google Meet by default. So you can see I can change different backgrounds, whichever background I would like to use while I am taking online meeting or online classes. I can use these backgrounds. So without any delay, let me show you how to use these backgrounds in Google Meet. So let us begin the video now. But before I start the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And like, share and comment on this video. Let me start the Meet now. So for that, let us select Start Now. Once you select Start Now, here you can see on my screen, I open the Google Meet. So let me turn on my camera. Okay, here you can see I am using my background image already in Google Meet. Earlier we don't have this feature in Google Meet. This is the latest update. Now let me show you how to change the background while you are taking online meeting using Google Meet. So for that, we have to go to More Options tab here, select More Options and come to here, Change Background. Earlier we had the feature of only blur background, but now this latest feature has been provided by Google Meet. So let us click Change Background. So once you select Change Background, here you can see there are three options: turn off backgrounds, slightly blur your background, and next one is blur your background. So if you use slightly blur your background, you can blur your background with original image. So let me show you that. First let us turn off background. So this is the original background which you are watching on your screen, and if I use this slightly blur your background, you can see my background has become slightly blurred. And if I go to this blur your background, so once I select that, it is completely blurred. But our purpose is to change the background. So let me come to let me unselect it. Now this is the clear background which I am having original background. Now let me go with blur sky with purple horizon. So you can change your backgrounds. Now this is the new feature update. So select any one of the backgrounds which you like. So let me select few backgrounds and let me show you. So this is the method you can use to change your background. So let me pick one which is suitable while taking online class. So this is the background you can see, and the image quality depends upon the camera and the webcam which you are using. So you can change your background in this way while taking online class or online meetings. Now let me show you one more image. Use image from disk. That means you can even update or you can upload your background image. So let me choose this one, use image from disk. So let me select this. Now let me select this as my background, completely blue background, or I can select this monk. So let me select this background and let me see how it will look. Okay, so this is the complete background. Let me select another one. If you want to keep your photo as background, let me select this one, and here you can see the background image. That means whichever background you want to keep for your online meeting, now with this feature you can directly upload from your desktop and you can conduct online meetings or you can conduct online classes also. So let me try with one more. So let me use this blue background. Now see, you can change the background. So this is the latest update. You can use this change background feature to change your background while you are taking online meeting or while you are conducting online classes. Earlier this feature was not present in the Google Meet by default. We used to download some extension, change background extension from Google Chrome, and then we have to change our background. But this is the new feature, latest feature updated by Google Meet, so that we can enjoy different backgrounds and our viewers also can enjoy different backgrounds while we are conducting online meeting or online class using Google Meet. So there are so many features Google is going to update. Google Meet is going to give us and provide us. So for latest updates, and for latest information you can keep watching this channel. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates of information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.